LeetCode Problem 121, Best Time to Buy and Sell Stock. So this problem gives us an array called prices, an integer array called prices, and our goal is to find out how to maximize our profit. So basically, these individual numbers are representing the price of a stock at a day, right? So for example, the price of day 0 would be 7, day 1 would be 1, and our job is to basically find out what's the maximum profit we can get, right, by using the most by basically buying cheap, right? So buying at this price and selling it when it's worth more, right? So selling it at this price, right, 6 for example, and by using 6 minus 1, then the maximum profit we can get is 5, right? The reason why we cannot buy 1 and then sell at 7 is because 7 is in the past, right? It's basically in the past, and the time only moves forward, so we can only sell stock at the price later than what we buy them from. Okay, to solve this problem, it's pretty simple. Basically, what I did was I iterate through the array from the back. Right, so let's say I have this example here, and let's keep track of our highest. Right, so our highest is this, price is 0. Okay, so by iterating through from the back, we can basically use the highest number minus every number in front of it, and then based on that we can calculate the maximum profit, right? So I have a for loop here that, like I said, iterates through from the back of the array. So I check first whether or not this price is more than the highest, right? And since the current highest is in min, which is the lowest possible number an integer can have, so our highest is currently 4. After that, we move forward again. So 6, and since 6 is more than highest, so this will be replaced with 6. And now we come to 3, right? And since 3 is actually lesser than 6, this means that we could potentially buy the stock at 3 and sell the stock at 6, right? So what we do is we calculate how much profit this trade will yield us by taking the highest and minusing the current price, right? So currently our highest is 6 and the current price is 3. So in this case the profit is 3, and it is compared against the result. Currently our result is 0, and we take the maximum of both, right? So like this, right? And since the maximum number between 3 and 0 is 3, so our result now becomes 3. Okay, let's move forward, and now we see 5, and 5 is not higher than what we currently have. So again, we calculate the price of the stock. If we were to buy at 5 and sell at 6, it will yield us 1, right? So since 1 is lesser than 3, it will not replace result. Keep going until we reach 1. And then, yep, same thing. It's not higher than the current price we have, and so we calculate the profit we can make from this. And in this case, it will be 6 minus 1, which is 5, compared against 3, since 5 is the higher profit. So our result will be changed to 5. And then lastly, we come to 7, and since 7 is higher than our current price, so price will be replaced. But because there is no more number in front of it, we can't really use it. Basically, it's the first day, right? So when that happens, the for loop will end, and then we return our result, which in this case would be 5. Okay, that's all I have to show. Thanks.